Ready! Hit.
And that should probably go to the middle of the field. Yeah, Brian. Yo, I got paint here?
Right here.
Oh, that was there.
What do you say?
Dude, I'm good.
Yeah.
If it wasn't for that kid running right in front of you, I would have been totally taken out.
Like, oh shit. I should have just started fucking lacing on you guys.
You did?
I should have.
I'm so angry with my all black jersey. Oh. What a kick-ass day. Great playing with you.
Yeah, man, have a good fucking ride.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you, dude. Are you here reffing all the time, or?
Hey, boss, you reffing a lot?
I don't ref you, but I play you every day.
Yeah.
Every day.
Every day.
I'm a terrible ref.
The kid who came in on our side there at the last second.
Yeah.
He goes up right at the last second, he shoots into the cone up the other side, blows his foot right off the back of his gun. That's what we were looking
Yeah, I was like, oh, they lost parts.
for.
I see people like scrounging on the ground like they lost parts.
I found the black little pin, spring and the hammer, we got it back in, but we couldn't find the locking pin that went in.
Oh,
So
no
what he did
shit.
is he took the hammer that goes down from the top and locks in the two pins,
Yeah.
cocked it, and threw that in the hole and held it with his thumb the whole time. Like, I'm sitting there like, want my honest opinion? You should take those shoot down. If you want my player's opinion, I need you on my side.
Look at that, there's the garbage right there. Okay. Damn, he got me right in the nipple. Oh, the other dude on his run by.
Oh, so he shot you too?
Yeah.
I almost shot him myself because he never called that he was running or anything. Like, he just all of a sudden there. I was like, whoa.
Yeah,